Hey guys, Cameron here with FBK Racing.
Larry.
And Larry. We just pulled into the Freedom Factory. We have some nitrous that we're going to put on said unit right here. It's our first time back since leaving it about a month ago when we won the Danger Ranger. So we're gonna see if we can get this thing fired up. Hopefully it does. But it's been a month. It has not been ran in a month. Oh, the door dingers.
For a unit. Yeah, let's pull it out.
It's gonna be a shame. It's gonna be a shame maybe blowing this thing up.
It's gonna be fun.
Hey, put it in drive, it works better. Just check out this sweet stereo in here. Take a look at the stereo. Isn't this nice? Nice stereo system. We're gonna see if we can get these lights on the top to work here. I don't know what controls them, how to turn them on.
Pump the hood.
I'm assuming it's this.
This one's cleaner inside than the one we won with. Heater delete. Loop. Got the loop. Oh, that's good for circulation. Yeah, we'll have to fix that up.
All right, so we are starting to hook up the nitrous system on the Ranger. Wherever you come out at. This goes to the battery.
Where are you going to try and come up? You're going to come up through here or on that side? Where are you going to try
On
and...
this side. Look at the alarm over here.
Who knows? I don't know. Blood, sweat, and tears.
Blood, sweat, and tears. Come. Jets?
No jets where we're going.
Hey, look at that. We don't need no stinking jets where we're going.
All the boost.
All the nitrous.
Well, we're not nitrous guys.
We might need a jet.
bad's that?
Not horrible.
Now there's a
Yeah, how am I getting my hands in there to put the nut on the end of that? Didn't think that one through all the way.
You're supposed to jump here.
No, because if you put it here, then the lines would have been might have hit the hood. So, smart guy put it over here, so the thing comes in on an angle, the hoses don't hit the hood.
as long as the nozzle is facing.
It goes the other way anyways. Take that out of there, it goes the other way.
What are you doing under there, Cameron?
Replacing the fuel filter.
Why?
Because I want it to run better than it does.
You sure you're not hooking up nitrous?
No. Actually, yeah, I am. However, can't get the damn fuel line off. Well, let the EPA see that. We're just watering the lawn.
It's not. It's water.
Yeah.
It's E85. It's corn fuel. We're growing corn.
Looks brand new.
Florida stuff. Alright, what are we putting on, Larry?
The burnout tires.
Oh.
But I'm kind of getting them out of your, not out of your way, but you got to do the rear end.
Yeah, you can put it back on. Put it on in my way. Plus, it'll look cool with those on there. But what Larry's gonna do, he has his precise tool right here. Make sure they're tight. Larry just turned the rear brakes off. So now go hit the brake.
Brake on.
No, it's not. That might work, Larry. Alright, we got our burnout tires on. Larry's just bolting the other side on. And I'm going under.
Hey guys, give you a little update where we're at with this thing. We've chopped the exhaust off. Still up the cats on it. We want it to run halfway decent. Nitrous kit, I'd say, is about 85% done. Just got to, we had to get a couple switches, and that'll be all set. Then we just need to run the line for the bottle. Got the burnout tires on them. Letting this dry up so we can weld it. We're getting there. A little bit longer, we'll be done with this. Testing it out, make sure everything's working good. Stay tuned.
This right here, this is what we call a Lincoln locker. This is gasless doohickey here. Nope.
button yet?
Working on it. I need some electrical tape. Where do I see it? On the table?
All right, we got the rear end all welded up. That's all set. We got the nitrous is now about 95% done. We just got to hook up the button underneath the
relay,
and the relay and the button underneath the hood there. And I think are we gonna give it a check?
Yeah, we'll have to give it. Well, yeah, we have to give her a test drive.
So we'll let you back in when we're trying to give this a little test.
You guys probably won't be able to see this, but we're gonna take it down the block. Just make sure everything's good with the rear end and it doesn't explode right now. Jeez, Jerry.
Definitely locked.
Well, it works. Definitely gonna need some nitrous in that thing. Well, there's no more stickers on it. Now people aren't gonna know that they're new tires. What's the verdict, Larry?
It's gonna need nitrous. That was
You heard it here first. You heard it here first. Larry needs nitrous.